In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create custom thumbnail from a frame from your video. So what I mean is you can drag to any point of your video and make that frame your thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail for your YouTube video. So how to do that? So let's see. So usually what happens is when you upload a video on YouTube, it shows only 3 options for the thumbnail. You can only choose one from the 3, or you have to upload a new JPEG or PNG file, which is a kind of design, thumbnail design you have created. So you have to create a new thumbnail for that. But for this one, you don't have to create a new thumbnail like from scratch or whatever. You just need to go to this option, create thumbnail, and this option is not available by default. You have to download a tool, or let's say an extension, which is called Tubebuddy. So I'll put the link in the description. So it's called Tubebuddy, and once you have uploaded once you have downloaded that extension and install that, what happens is it shows a lot of options when you upload a video. So this is one of them, create thumbnail. If you click on create thumbnail, you can see different options: still frame from video, solid color, image or existing thumbnail. So we are going with this option, still frame from video. Click on this, and then you will be able to play this video. And so you can play the video and check which frame is the one you want to use. Okay, so let's say like this frame, maybe this frame. Okay, so once you choose one frame, go to this, continue, click continue, and you can continue again or click continue again, but you have options like text. You click here and just type anything, let's say thumbnail, and you choose color, maybe yellow or let's say white. Click choose and add layer. Click on this. So this has created a text layer, so you can drag it and resize it, and you can just keep it like that. Once you click here, you will have like different options here, so you can choose any of these options. Okay, so you also have this emoji option. You can click one of them and the emoji appears. You can also choose an image. I think we don't need an image. You can go to shape and choose any shape. And once you're done, you can click on continue, and it would show you how the thumbnail looks when people browse through the thumbnails. So this is the top one is the one which we're going to use. So once you're satisfied, you can click save and publish. If you're not satisfied, if you think it doesn't look good enough, you can always go back and then maybe remove something or add something, and then click continue, and then click save and publish. That's what you need to do. I won't click on save and publish because I'm already okay with the thumbnail I have used earlier. So that's how you do this. That's how you create a custom thumbnail from a still frame from your video. Okay, so for that you have to download or install Tubebuddy. I'll put the link in the description, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.